Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. Today I am finally back on the YouTubes. It's been a minute. We're in a new space. It is what it is. Today we're playing with the Tropical palette from Beauty Bay. I created this fun look, my birthday look, as it is my birthday, and I'm hoping to get this out today on the 12th, so we will see. All products that I used and or mention, or even, whatever, are linked down below along with timestamps. So without further freaking ado, let's get into this. You miss me. For whatever reason, my chair is really squeaky today, so that's fun. But hello, hi, this is the new space, the new room. I still need to paint it. It's gonna look better, I promise. I still need to get things to pack away, put the boxes back their way and everything, but we're here. I'm comfortable. It is what it is. Hi. Today we're gonna play with the Beauty Bay Tropical palettes. I don't know, it's my birthday. I feel like doing pinks and yellows, so let's do this thing. As always, I'm going to prime my eyes with the REM Beauty Concealer in Fair 2N and then set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent powder. Okay, so to start, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this light pink one. It is called Dakari, and I'm going to be popping that into the crease area here. I think I'm going to go in with this. Refer 14, the good old Refer 14. Just taking a little bit of that, tapping up the excess, and then plopping it into the crease area here. It's been a minute. It's been a minute, and I apologize, but I also don't. Moving was hard. Moving into here was hard. Not actually moving, but mentally, I guess it was hard. And then I've been working a lot. I went to a children's behavioral conference with my bosses, and so that took up all of my day, 2 days in a row. But yeah, here we are. It's my birthday. I wanted to do makeup. I wanted to film. I don't know how much time I'm going to have the next coming months, as work is going to get hectic, summer camp is going to start, all that. But it is what it is. Okay, now that I'm done dragging this Dakari shade forward. Also, I'm sorry if I'm quiet. I don't know. I feel like everybody can hear me from this room. So, sorry about that. But now that I have that there, I think I might go in with a little bit of this shade right here called Hibiscus. Again, still taking it on this Refer 14, not a lot, and just putting it out here in the outer edge. I'll try scooting forward a little bit, hoping y'all can see this. Thinking something strawberry lemonade-y. Something summery. Okay, I'm gonna clean that brush off a little and go back in with that Dakari shade and just stretch this pink shade, slight pink shade up here a little bit more. I can't believe I'm 25. That's insane. That's literally insane to even start to begin to think about. Wow. Okay. We're done reminiscing. I'm gonna go in with my Refer 13 now, and I think I'm going to take a little bit of this watermelon shade right here and just popping it right here, deepening it out just a tishy tad. and blending. So I am taking just a little bit of that watermelon shade and just bringing it forward just a tad bit here, you know. And I am going to go back in with that 14, just because you can see in here it's stretched forward more. For whatever reason, it is not over here. I'm liking it so far. I think this is really pretty. I knew that I was going to like this palette, which is why I got this palette. Okay, I'm thinking I really want to go in with these yellows here. I'm going to take that zesty shade right there on my Refer 21 and plop it into this open part right here. I think I'm just going to keep it in this area, and then if I got something to put in there. But we're just taking that zesty and bringing it up like that. I'm excited to get to bring you guys that Books and Looks series again. We'll see if I bring back Mishmash Monday. I think I might. It just all depends, like, when I have time, you know? But I'm just dragging that yellow upwards here. I kind of don't want to stay in this palette for this. I'm also kind of like really liking how this looks right now. I was very, very tempted to do like a green, you know, but I think we're going to stay with this palette. I think this is maybe where I'm going to end this right now. I have really much, that does make sense. As of late, I have really been liking matte looks. So maybe we'll keep it at this. And I can hear Shani going like, what? You doing all matte? I can hear you, Shani. I hear you all the time in my brain. Okay, but now I'm like, I need to do some shimmer. Okay, we all know me. If you've been here, you know me. We know things. We know that I'm addicted to shimmer. But I do want to keep this space here open. I really like how that looks. You know what? I have an idea. Okay. I'm going to go do my face, my lashes. We'll come back for under eye, lip, blush, highlight, all that good stuff. I'll be right back. God damn. I look good. I did good. I mean, other than like right here. But that is what it is. Okay, we're going for blush, clearly. Blush, we are obviously going in with the Blend Bunny Juicy Cheeks palette. If you're new here, you don't know, but if you've been here, if you know, you know. These are my pride and shoe. I'm thinking mix of these two possibly, so that would be Plump and Mouthwatering. So I'm gonna start with Plump. Plopping her up here. Blending her in. A little bit on the nose right here. And now that I have her here, we're gonna go in with Mouthwatering. I feel like it's a darker blush day. Ready? Putting it right here. Yup. Add a little bit more on the nose because I want to look like a little fairy, a little nymph, you know. And I'll just take whatever's left on the brush and just plop it up here. Give my face some more color. And then as always, I go in with my foundation brush and just tap it in so everything is seamless. I can't tell. I think this side might be just a little bit stronger than this side. Oh, yeah. So I'm just going to add a tad bit more over here. It is my birthday. I can look as clowny as I want, okay? I really like how that looks, so, like, I feel bright and fresh. So we're going to go in with the Noctilucent palette. Obviously, clearly, this is my baby. I love this thing. It's my favorite thing ever. I'm thinking maybe we'll do a mix of the pink and the yellow. So Phenomena and Enlighten. I need to get another one of these. So we're gonna start with Phenomena, my baby. And then we're gonna put her right here. Now we're gonna go in with Enlighten a little. That is the yellow, the gold, and just pop it down here. A little right here. Okay. And then that's when I go in again with the foundation brush and I just stamp it in. Then I do go in with a, where is that? This Refer 14. And I go in with a little bit of highlighter. So I'm taking the pink and the yellow. And I'm just plopping it right in here. Oh my god. I've forgotten how much I love colorful makeup. I've been doing such neutrals as of late. Okay, my god. I'm gonna do my brows and then we're gonna do the under eye. I think that is as good as we're going to get. These brows, I'm not mad at them. Maybe a little bit, but I can't tell. Like, is it a good brow day? Is it not? It's the troubles of being blind. Okay. We are going to do under eye and inner corner now. I'm thinking we go in with a little bit of this. I'm thinking that we go in with a little bit of that Dakari shade again, taking that on my Refer 03 and just bringing it along down here. I'm taking my Refer 14 and just blending it together out here. Seamlessness. So I think we're gonna put something in here. For right now, I do want to put a little bit of this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Screamin'. It's a yellow one in the waterline here. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of that Zesty. Again, taking it on my Refer 23 and just bringing it right here. And then I think possibly for the inner corner, I think we're gonna go in with that sunshade right there. Again, still on that Refer 23. Yep. Okay, so now that I have eyelashes done, I did bottom lashes. I used the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in waterproof. I only ever use waterproof mascara. Pardon true. So, I have a lip combo right here that I want to do, even though I kind of really like how my lips look right now when there's like really nothing on it. I think I put a little bit of highlighter. I can't remember. But I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Lifter Plump in Mauve Bite. And just, there's a little bit of a burn into it, but that's totally okay. And then I'm going to go over it with my Rem Beauty lip oil in Raspberry Drip. I can feel the lip plumper on my lip. I mean, on my tongue. So that's fun. And then I think I'm going to put just a teeny bit of this Unearthly lip gloss in Puppy Love. It is from their Charmer collection. I think that's what it was. Their Valentine's Day one this year. So this is the final finished complete look. I absolutely love it. I think I look hot as hell. I think this eye look is so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's so much fun to play in color again. I definitely 100% missed it a whole lot. But like I said, I want to try and film more. I don't know if I will, have the time, but I will try my little hardest to do so. If you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. There's a lot of things you just shouldn't be, and I promise you that not being a piece of shit is a whole hell of a lot easier and takes a lot less time and energy than being a piece of shit. Okay, it is just so much easier to ignore the things that you do not understand, the things that you do not like, you know. Just do better. Remember to be taking in the most actual factual information. There's a lot of propaganda, a lot of bull going around, so make sure that you are taking in the right stuff, and make sure that you're taking care of you, that you're getting the right foods, the right drinks, that you're taking care of yourself, that you're doing self-care days, you're not being such a people pleaser. Remember to just do things for you, okay? Go buy as many things as you want. You can blame it on me, okay? It is totally fine. But again, if you made it to this point in the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. So remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.